rest of the towns will be receiving one. At yun po ang kailangan po nila. At sana sa kanila na ang retrieval, the picking up, and then also yung mga sanitary landfill, diba? At mga MRF. We're hoping na at least this will help organize yung trash po nila. At sila na po bahala maghanap ng lugar, and of course we'll also assist them in any way we can.
So after na factor at iba pa?
Yeah, well, I think gagawin po tong urgent, and then hopefully in the next month or two makakuha na natin ang garbage trucks. Yeah, so ang plano ko po siguro yung heavily populated areas kagaya ng dito po, 'di ba, sa Lawag City, na iwasan po ang plastic bottles, at also for health reasons na rin, everyone stays hydrated kahit mainit, especially for our elderly. Maybe also dun po sa IT Park, diba? So hoping that we can have some public sources of clean and potable water na magamit po. Yeah, so we inaugurated our mural na very impressive. Ang ganda ng artwork. So we thank all of the artists and the students, of course, who also helped dun po sa Syrup Mile. So siguro the first step in the beautification of the Syrup Mile, and I hope we can continue to improve yung Syrup Mile po natin. Actually, ang dami natin donations so nagpapasalamat po kami syempre sa lahat na nag-donate po, and thankfully handa na kami sa next. Sana walang next, but if ever handa po kami, at least in terms of relief packs or yung mga food packs po natin. We're going next month, October 16. Yeah, 16 to 18. So magiging first foreign trip ko as governor. At sila kasi palagi po sila nandito, 'di ba? So jahe naman at palagi po sila nag-iimbita. Finally we will acquiesce and agree and visit them. So we're looking forward to visiting our sister province in Shandong next month po.
Kasama po ang specific members?
Some, yeah, yung mga relevant, not all. Yeah. So mga relevant chairmen and women ng mga committees.